Hello everyone. In this part, I am going to cover other one-liners from MICA September 2020. So the first news is from schemes and launches. Recently, which state government has launched a new scheme called Dhanvantri for home delivery of medicines? So the answer is Assam. Assam state government has launched Dhanvantri scheme for home delivery of medicines. Second news is government's Pan India Agriculture Trading Portal eNAM has completed how many years of implementation on April 14, 2020? 4 years. So eNAM has completed 4 years. Next news is recently Jaganna Vashti Divna scheme has been launched by which state? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has launched Jaganna Vashti Divna scheme. The next news is recently Atal Pension Yojana has completed 5 years of its implementation on which date? Answer is 9th of May. 9th of May को अटल पेंशन योजना के 5 years complete हो गए. Next is recently the central government has launched a scheme for complete solarization of the temple. किस टेम्पल का complete solarization होने वाला है? तो आंसर है कोणार्क सन टेम्पल. कोणार्क सन टेम्पल. Next news is that in the bottom of the magazine there are some points which are given. So the first point is new spider species has been named after Swedish climate campaigner Greta Thunberg. Now next we will move to another news from the same section, which is schemes and launches. So the first news is recently which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Shehri Rozgar Guarantee Yojana, guaranteed at least 120 days of employment to people living in urban areas. So as the name suggests, Shehri Rozgar, शहर means urban areas. So urban areas में employment provide करेगा for at least 120 days. So the state is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. Next news is recently which state government has begun the third phase of its Sujalam Suflam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan. ये स्कीम गुजरात स्टेट ने लॉन्च की थी एंड दिस इज़ अ थर्ड फेज. सो द आंसर इज गुजरात. Recently, which state government has introduced two schemes, CMAST and CMAT, to benefit the sports person and artist in the state? स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन और आर्टिस्ट को बेनिफिट करने के लिए मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट हैज़ लॉन्च्ड two schemes for the betterment of sports person and artist, CMAST and CMAT. Now the next news is recently which state government has launched Matir Smriti scheme to utilize 50,000 acres of barren land in 6 districts. So the state is West Bengal. इसमें 50,000 एकर्स की ज़मीन रहेगी. तो बैरन लैंड है मीन्स जहाँ एग्रीकल्चर नहीं होता है उसको यूज़ करेगा. एंड द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन विच कैन बी आस्क्ड इज़ द हाउ मेनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स आर इन्वॉल्व? तो 6 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज़ रिसेंटली विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ लॉन्च्ड अन्नपूर्णा सप्लाई मित्र पोर्टल फॉर सिटीजन्स फूड नीड्स. अन्नपूर्णा फूड नीड प्रोवाइड करेगा कौन से स्टेट में? सो द आंसर इज यूपी मीन्स उत्तर प्रदेश. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज रिसेंटली विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ लॉन्च्ड द जीवन शक्ति योजना. जीवन शक्ति योजना इज़ फॉर विमेन एंड द स्टेट इज़ मध्य प्रदेश. एमपी ने ये जीवन शक्ति योजना स्कीम जो है उसे लॉन्च किया है. नाउ नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज recently which state government has launched the Jaganna Vidya Divna scheme in order to provide 100% fee reimbursement to all students across the state. तो इसमें 100% fee reimbursement होगी and the state is Andhra Pradesh. विद्या है, विद्या नाम से ही we can identify that it is a scheme for education, means for students. So Andhra Pradesh is the right answer. Now the next category is news of national and state. Earlier that was schemes. Now this is state news. So the first news is, recently which state government has launched COVAS, a mobile application, COVAS or COVAS, mobile application to address all the COVID-19 related issues. So it is the app for कोविड रिलेटेड इश्यूज़ एंड द आंसर इज़ असम. असम गवर्नमेंट ने कोवैस नाम की मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन लॉन्च किया है. सेकेंड न्यूज़ इज, रिसेंटली विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ लॉन्च्ड चरण पादुका कैंपेन फॉर माइग्रेंट लेबर्स मूविंग थ्रू द स्टेट. माइग्रेंट लेबर्स के लिए चरण पादुका नाम का कैंपेन लॉन्च किया है एमपी गवर्नमेंट ने. एमपी गवर्नमेंट हैज़ लॉन्च्ड चरण पादुका. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज, which of the national park has become India's first national park to quarantine facility for animals? Animals को क्वारंटीन करने वाला पहला नेशनल पार्क इंडिया का कौन सा है? जिम कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज, Indian Air Force has signed an MOU with which university to establish a chair of excellence. chair of excellence किसके लिए इंडियन एयरफोर्स ने साइन किया है, मींस किस यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ साइन किया है? सो आंसर है सावित्री बाई फुले यूनिवर्सिटी. या ये भी पूछ सकते हैं वाइस वर्सा करके कि सावित्री बाई फुले ने किसके साथ साइन किया है MOU फॉर चेयर ऑफ एक्सेलेंस? द ऑप्शन कैन बी इंडियन नेवी, इंडियन आर्मी. सो द आंसर इज इंडियन एयरफोर्स. नमस्ते ओरछा फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन विच स्टेट? Namaste Orchha festival. So Orchha is a place in Madhya Pradesh. So this festival is celebrated in Madhya Pradesh. Namaste Orchha festival. Now the next news is, under which act Government of India has declared hand sanitizers and masks are essential commodities. Essential commodities का एक एक्ट होता है विच इज़ एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज़ एक्ट 1955. इस एक्ट में वो भी आइटम्स को एसेंशियल रखा जाता है जिनकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है एंड वो उस वक्त बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी में होते हैं. सो हैंड सैनिटाइजर्स, मास्क, when they were required, so they were manufactured at a very small scale initially. So they were kept under essential commodities act और वो essential भी होते हैं. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज़, अकॉर्डिंग टू अ स्टडी by the Internet and Mobile Association of India titled Digital in India, which state UT topped the highest internet penetration rate among all the states of India? Highest internet penetration कौन से स्टेट में है, स्टेट या यूटी? सो द आंसर इज दिल्ली. The next news is, after successfully tested which nuclear missile every year National Technology Day is celebrated on 11th May across India? The answer is Shakti 1. So here two questions can be formed, that when is National Technology Day celebrated? National technology means for India. The answer is 11th of May. And second news can be, which is the nuclear missile which was tested successfully. So answer is Shakti first. Next news is, Arunachal Pradesh has celebrated its 34th statehood day on 20th February. Who is the governor of Arunachal Pradesh? Answer is B.D. Mishra. So governor of Arunachal Pradesh is B.D. Mishra and statehood day is 20th February, and this year means 2020, this was a 34th statehood day. So 3 points are to be keep in mind from this news. The next news is, Border Road Organization has constructed 430 feet long Daporijo Bridge over which river in Arunachal Pradesh? So answer is Subansiri River. So in exams there are some questions like which this river flows in which state. So this is not that typical static, but it is static news has been formed from the current affairs only. So the question can be asked like this, that Subansiri river flows in which state? So answer is Arunachal Pradesh. And Daporejo bridge is formed over which river? Answer is Subansiri river. The next news is Government of India has declared National Chambal Sanctuary as eco-sensitive zone recently, and National Chambal sanctuary is in Madhya Pradesh. So this is also static, that where is the sanctuary. Now next news is how much financial package was announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 12th May to deal with the coronavirus pandemic? 20 लाख करोड़, कितने करोड़ का पैकेज मोदी जी ने अनाउंस किया था 12th मई को? तो ये है 20 लाख करोड़. The next news is in which city the Antarrashtriya Yog Mahotsav was inaugurated? Yog Mahotsav means yoga. Yoga Mahotsav was inaugurated in which city, which place? So answer is Rishikesh. Next news is in which city the joint ministerial commission between India and Australia was held recently? India और ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बीच का मिनिस्टेरियल कमीशन इन कौन से शहर में हुआ? सो द आंसर इज न्यू दिल्ली. नेक्स्ट इज इंडियन नेवी हैज़ इंस्टॉल्ड क्वारंटीन फैसिलिटी इन विच सिटी? इंडियन नेवी ने किस सिटी में क्वारंटीन फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करना शुरू किया है? सो द आंसर इज विशाखापट्टनम. द नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज इंडियन रेलवेज हैज़ लॉन्च्ड its first restaurant on wheels. The restaurant will be on wheels, means moving restaurants at the circulating area of which railway station? Railway station में जो restaurants है वो move करते रहेंगे, wheels पे होंगे. So the answer is Asansol. Asansol is a place in West Bengal. The next news is Indian Railways South Central Railway Zone has become first zonal railway in the country to have functional एनर्जी न्यूट्रल रेलवे स्टेशन ऑन द नेटवर्क. तो पहले तो इन दिस क्वेश्चन two news are important. So the first news is South Central Railway, means options can be asked that which zone has become the first zone in India to become energy neutral? So the answer is South Central Railway, South Central Zone or South Central Railway. The next question is where is the headquarter of South Central Railway? Answer is Sikandrabad. The next news is Maharashtra Cabinet approved the proposal to rename Mumbai Central Station to the name of Nana Shankar Seth. So the question can be asked, मुंबई सेंट्रल स्टेशन का नाम चेंज करके क्या रखा गया है? नाना, या किन के नाम पे रखा गया है? तो नाना शंकर सेठ. The next news is recently Geographical Indication Registry has given the geographical indication, means GI tag, to saffron. Saffron is of which region? Which UT or state is Kashmir. The next news is recently how much amount was announced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman for Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund. Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund के लिए फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ने कितना अमाउंट अनाउंस किया था? 15,000 करोड़. 15,000 करोड़ इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. द नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज recently how much fund was released by NABARD for Kharif and pre-monsoon operations? खरीफ और प्री मानसून ऑपरेशंस के लिए नाबार्ड कितना फंड प्रोवाइड करेगा? सो द आंसर इज 20,500 करोड़ रुपीस. The next news is recently the government has announced how much amount to support micro food enterprises under Atmanirbhar Bharat economic package. So Atmanirbhar Bharat package is very important in the exam point of view. तो उसमें दिया गया था कि माइक्रो फूड एंटरप्राइजेस को कितना अमाउंट प्रोवाइड करेगी गवर्नमेंट. सो आंसर इज 10,000 करोड़. 10,000 करोड़ रुपीज़. फिर लास्ट लाइन में यहाँ पे दिया है ऑटोमोबाइल मेजर टाटा मोटर्स सेड दैट जेटी स्पेशल व्हीकल्स यानी कि JTSV विल बिकम अ होली ओन सब्सिडियरी ऑफ द कंपनी. सो नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ आर इंटरनेशनल एंड अदर न्यूज़. This I will be covering in